Hey there, welcome to today's video where we'll tackle a common problem that Git users might encounter. The problem we'll be discussing today revolves around setting up a commit message hook globally in Git on Windows 11. A user has created a custom hook application and placed it in the designated global templates directory, but unfortunately, the hook is not being triggered when committing changes in existing repositories. Let's dive into the solution for this issue. In finding a solution to our problem, we need to understand that Git templates are primarily applied to new repositories, not existing ones. To configure a hook to be used globally across all repositories, we can utilize the Karr.hooks path setting in the Git configuration. By setting this property to the desired global hooks directory, we can ensure that the custom commit message hook will be executed consistently for all repositories. In summary, if you're facing issues with a global Git hook not being triggered in existing repositories, remember that Git templates are intended for new repository setups. To enforce a custom hook globally across all repositories, make use of the Karr.hooks path configuration setting. With this adjustment, you can ensure that your custom hook script is executed seamlessly with every commit. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below.